that one right there beside the
Oh my
on this side.
goodness.
I think that's the one on this side that's drinking.
All right, this is Jesus Paid It All, and it's starting in middle C position, kind of spread out like this with the 2 on the E. The first time through, I'm going to stay in this position with block chords, and the second time through, I'm going to take the right hand up an octave and do broken chords on the left hand. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, and 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, and 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, and 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, and 2, and 3, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 1, and 2, 3, and 1. Right hand up an octave. Broken chord. And 3, and 1, and 2, and 3, 1, and 2, and 3, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 1, and 2, 3, 1, and 2, and 3, and 2, and 3, and 1, and 3, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 1, and 2, 3, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 1, and 2, and 3. So you notice when you hit those G's with the da da da, I'm hitting those as a block because you can't get the whole broken chord in. All right, let me know if you have any questions.